Hello guys, hope you have such a nice day. Today I want to talk to you about little Figma tricks that saved my time. Number 1. Auto space anything and everything. Simply select all shapes or groups you would like to space equally and click on the little blue icon in the corner. Once clicked, Figma will auto space the selected items equally. Number 2. Resize instantly. Simply adjust your selected shape size by adding, subtracting, or even multiplying. Figma will auto-resize your item with the intended equation. Figma's color magic. This might be a little feature that you definitely didn't know of. Instead of having to guess the hex colors, Figma does the work for you. When looking for a color, simply type your preferred color and Figma recolors for you. Number 4. Rename frames in seconds. One annoying thing about designing is when your work is left with multiple unnamed or barely named frames. It is a tedious task to rename all the frames individually. Hence, this rename feature does wonders. Easily select all the frames you would like to rename. Right-click on the selected layers and select Rename. On the pop-up, input your preferred frame name. Number 5. Auto layout is your weapon. Similar to trick number 1, auto layout revolves around spacing and cleaning up your design. In my opinion, auto layout is an underrated feature that really increases productivity. Simply add auto layout to selected group and auto adjust the spacing. You can add and remove items whilst auto layout cleans up your design. This works great for components or even little groups. In the end, if our video was useful for you, please support us with your like and subscribe. Thanks.